Living in a Castle 7 with Gwalia and Friends. Written and illustrated by Sarah L. Dolan. Things that go eek in the night. Everybody in the castle went to bed early. Well, not everybody. When the sun goes down, when the moon comes out, it's time for mice to run about. Gwalia the mouse was not the only mouse living in the medieval castle. There were lots of other mice too. Eek, eek! Eek, eek! Excuse me for passing wind. Eek, eek! Squeak, squeak! Eek, eek! Nibbling the food, yummy, yummy. Jumping over candles, ouch! Knocking over boots, thud! Hiding under hats, hiding from shh. The mice were not the only ones awake in the medieval castle at night. There was a cat too, killing rats and mice to keep the castle nice. Medrod roamed the castle in the middle of the night. Boo! But sometimes at night, it's the little things that can give you a fright. Yikes!